Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all good. I'm Robinson, Department of Social Science, your social science teacher. Today we are going to start a new lesson from 8th standard, history, very particularly the growth of nationalism and their revolutions. So this lesson is very important for you, not only for you, for everybody. Why? Because in this world everything is changed because of the number of revolutions. Okay, so among that there are two important revolutions we have to study in this lesson. Okay, the first one, that is American Revolution. It is also called as American War of Independence. And second one, that is known as French Revolution. These two revolutions only gave plenty of changes to this world. So let's start the lesson. First, nationalism. Why there is a revolution and what is the reason for that? We have to know that. Actually, everything comes under this topic alone. So nationalism. So all the revolution which comes from the word of nationalism alone. So nationalism, it is very important. Why? Because a man should have the great love on his country, and he should have the loyal to his own country. A strong feeling of love and loyalty on his country, that is known as nationalism. So we are also having the love and loyalty on our nation. Okay, if anybody is teased about our country in the sense, what we will do? Surely we will start to raise the question, how dare you to tell like that? So at that time our emotions, our love and the loyalty, everything will comes out. This is known as nationalism. At the same time, here there are some few more words: language, culture, religion, social order and historical events. These things also will comes under the nationalism, and everything, okay, is called as the nationalism. Altogether, there is one more word also is there, which is denoting the nationalism, that is known as patriotism. A man who ready to give his life in the name of country, that is known as patriotism. So that is also comes under the nationalism. So for American Revolution and the French Revolution, the nationalism is the predominant reason for that. Anyways, we will start the first American Revolution. Here, which year this was held? Actually during the 18th century. During 18th century only this was happened. During 18th century, from 1776 to 1783, this revolution was take place. And here, what is the reason behind it? This revolution totally against the foreign rule. In this place, who are the foreigners? The Britishers. So Britishers only dominated the American people. So the American people, they started to raise the voice against them. So this is the one. And after that, there are some political struggles. The people of Americans, they are not permitted to do anything without the knowledge of the foreigners. So for that only, this revolution was taken place during the time of 18th century. And after that, this person is very important. Okay, you have to know about this person. Actually, Christopher Columbus. So he is a sailor, and he is a man who discovered America. In the year of 1492, Christopher Columbus, he discovered America. And after that only, many people, they started to settle from Europe to USA. So many people, the Britishers, they settled, and after that Spanish people, they settled, French people, Holland people, like that, many people, they started to settle in USA. Okay, and after the settlement, many people, they are going to did a number of constructions. A number of colonies were established in the place of America. At that time, 13 colonies were established in the place of eastern coastal plains. So, eastern coastal plains of the USA, there were some 13 colonies were established. These 13 colonies, they only protest against the people of British rule. Okay, here I could say that the New York, Pennsylvania, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, like that. There's a few more colonies also there. Almost 13 colonies. 13 colonies, they resist against the British rule in USA. And after that, number of reasons behind this revolution. First reason, the Americans, they are not permitted to do any kind of new establishment of industries. So there is no chance for the Americans to establish industries. It created some kind of tension in the minds of Americans. And second one, the people of Americans, they are forced to do and trade only with the people of Britishers. They should not do and trade with any other else. And after that, the third one, that is very important. There is a British Parliament. The people of Americans, they are forced to pay a number of taxes to them. But in the British Parliament, the Americans, they do not have any kind of representations. So they said, we will give a tax to you, but we need a representation in British Parliament. This is the word said by them. This is not accepted by the people of Britishers. So that only it is became as the one of the reason for American Revolution. Okay. And after that here, just now only I told you that the people of Americans, they are forced to pay a number of taxes. Among that, the people of Americans, they are forced to pay land tax, water tax, salt tax, sugar tax, tea tax, hat tax. So like that, variety of taxes they paid to the people of Americans. But what was happened? This is huge in size. The people of Americans, they could not pay that. It is very horrible to pay. So the too much of tax, it is lead to a number of reason for revolution of Americans. So this is also another reason. And here you could see the person. He is in Voltaire. So Voltaire, is a man, a philosopher of French. Like that, few more philosophers also are there. They are known as Rousseau and then John Locke. These are the persons. They were protest against the voice of colonizations. They started to give a number of instructions to the people to fight against the colonization. Raise your voice in the name of freedom. Raise your voice against the taxation. So like that, they insist the people to get freedom of liberty, fraternity and rights for people. So like that, they impose a number of messages in the minds of the people of Americans. This was inspired by them and they started to raise the voice against the colonization. And it led to a problem that is known as American Revolution. Here I remind you, the another name of Russian American Revolution is known as American War of Independence. Okay. And after that, in the year of 1765, the people of Britishers, they passed on an act. The name of the act is known as Stamp Act. See, they are collecting various taxes from the people of Americans, like sugar tax also. But the people of Americans, they are collecting few more additional taxes also. Among that, stamp tax. They collected number of stamp tax from the Americans. So Americans, they are totally disappointed with the British people. So that they started to engage, they started to involve in the revolution. So the Stamp Act in the year of 1765. In the year of 1765, they imposed an Stamp Act. This led to a reason for it led to a problem for American Revolution. And after that, one more reason also is there. That is here, the people of Americans, they started to say that no sugar act, which means no sugar tax, no tea tax, no stamp tax. So which means we are paying plenty of taxes, but we are not recognized by the people of Britishers. So they said we will pay tax and you should give the representation in parliament. So that only they mention one quotation, no taxation without representation. So the American slogan is no taxation without representation. So this is the slogan of the Americans against the people of British rule. So the slogan is like this: no taxation without representation, which means they asked representation in British Parliament. That is the thing, and it is also important reason for the American Revolution. And next one, the Boston Tea Party. Actually, Boston, it is a name of a place. So Boston Tea Party. So in the place of America, there is a harbor. In that place, the people of Britishers, they kept a number of things, very particularly tea and then sugar, everything. So in the ships, you can see here the ships. In these ships, it contains a pack of teas. So what was happened? The Americans, they started to enter in the ships and they climbed on it and they start to throw the tea packs on sea. So at that time, the people of Britishers, they don't know what to do. They start to shouting. At last, finally, they started to creating a problem. They said, Americans are the reason for this. So you have to pay too much of taxes for that. So that is the one said by the people of Britishers. But Americans, they said, we won't pay. And we are not done it. Like that they said. So this is become as the one of the immediate cause for American Revolution. So do you know when the Boston Tea Party was held? So in the year of 1773, this Boston Tea Party incident was happened. And at that time, there were more than 300 carats of tea. It was thrown on the sea. It is huge in size. The people of Americans, they were punished by the people of Britishers. And this is the incident. It shows that the people of Americans, they are totally against the tea tax. At the same time, they involved in a number of revolution activities against the collection of taxes. So altogether, we know that the people of Britishers, they collected a plenty of taxes. They were forced the Americans do not do any kind of trade activities with others, and they are not allowed to do any kind of establishment of industries. So it created the tension in the minds of Americans. At the same time, they were inspired by a number of philosophers like Voltaire, Rousseau, Montesquieu, John Locke. So these are the persons, they start to stimulate a number of voice against the people of Britishers. At the same time, one very important person is there. The person is known as, he is an American thinker. The person, Mr. Thomas Jefferson. He said, rebel against the people of Britishers. Then only we can get our rights. This is the very important quote which was said by the person Thomas Jefferson. And after that only the American Revolution, it becomes fired and it started to spread everywhere. The many people, they started to involved in this action. Children, so today we learned about American Revolution and what are the causes for the American Revolution and everything. I hope you learned plenty of messages. By the way, below the video in description box we attached question bank, study material and self-assessment. Kindly go through that and study well. Thank you.